Hi, this is Pawan Kalyan from CIT Chennai, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I created the bot which will generate the participant certificates, those who are joining or participate in the events. And for this, I'm going to use the UIPATH Studiox software, and the participant certificate that we are going to generate is this certificate. We are going to use this as a template, and the names of the participant will be saved as sheets, Excel sheet, and the names are Tom, Jerry, Smith, Rob. So we want to create a separate participant certificate for these four, and in order to do that, let me just create a blank task first. Let us name the task as participation certificates. Let me just copy this first name and replace with the descriptions, and let us just create the task. And we have the main, and in order to use this Excel file, since we are using the Excel file, we have to use the activities called as use Excel file. And let me just drag and drop this, and in this parameter we are going to indicate the Excel that we have already implemented to get the participant details. Let me just uncheck the save changes parameters so that the changes won't be affected. And next up, we want to iterate through every rows and of the sheet, and for that, let me just include the for each Excel row activities. Let me just import this, and let me just leave this as it is for this current row. And in this range, we want to include them the sheet one, as since our uh, sheet as headers, we are going to indicate as headers just by ticking the box. And next up, we are going to use the PowerPoint presentation template into our projects, and for that we need to import this by using the use PowerPoint presentation activities. And let me just indicate the file that we have in the desktop and will be referenced as PowerPoint, and don't forget to uncheck this. And next up, we want to replace the text which will be XYZ with the other participant names. So in order to do that, let me just import the activities called replace text in the presentations, and we have the variable PowerPoint. And to find what, we are going to open this with the text editor, and to find the name XYZ into the template, and to replace with the current row of the sheet with the participant name. We are going to replace all. And in order to save this generated certificate as a PDF, we are going to use the save presentation as PDF, which will be generating each participant certificate as separately. And we are going to use the PowerPoint variable, and to be saved as a file, let me just uh, documents, let me just copy the participant certificate, which consists of nothing. Let me just copy the path, copy this path, and let me just close this and include this in text editor and paste this into this path. And let me just remove this quotes so that this won't be considered as a string. And after this, let me just include the current row of each participant name so that the participant generated certificate will be in their name, and we use .pdf to generate them as PDF. And let me just save this, and to replace the existing, we have to check this box. Let me just once quickly go on through this. I think it's okay. And now next, let me just run this. So you can see that the participant certificates are generated with their names in it. So the activity is completely perfect and the bot is working fine. Thank you.